we're still in the early days of 5G deployments from the service provider side, and it's still kind of in the future to see what sort of transformative value that brings over to the end user. So maybe you can give me an idea in terms of addressing service providers' needs. What's top of mind right now, and what's going to go into really scaling out these networks?
Yeah, sure. So I think first and foremost, 5G I think continues to somewhat be viewed as an opportunity to really see an order of magnitude increased performance in terms of the amount of bandwidth available over the radio access network, as well as the reduction in latency over the network. And obviously we'll let Liam talk a little bit in terms of how that enables new capabilities and new experiences for the end users. But I think what's missing in that equation is recognition that it's a full end-to-end transformation, right? So we've gone through very large industry transformations before. We've gone from circuit to packet in the cellular network. We've obviously gone and evolved from 2G to 3G, really focused on ubiquitous voice coverage, to 4G, focused on mobile broadband. The evolution to 5G is probably the largest standards contribution, standards re-architecture we've ever done as an industry. It embraces cloud-native capabilities. It embraces microservices architectures from a software stack perspective. It embraces virtualization. It embraces commoditization and commonality of underlying infrastructure from a compute perspective built on x86. It leverages and builds on top of the principles of software-defined networking. So when we look at this from an end-to-end service provider perspective, it's not just, hey, we've got this great new radio. It's, hey, how do I operationalize virtualization, software-defined networking, cloud-native architectures with newly built microservices-based applications at scale while still leveraging the principles of telco SLAs, carrier-grade capabilities, and multiple different types of facilities in my network.